What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It's finally race day here at the New Year's Bash at Dillon Motor Speedway. So if you watched our earlier vlog, you see we had a little bit of a, I don't know how the hell you word it. We just didn't know how many laps was getting in qualifying. So we're in the last chance race today. We will be starting third in the last chance race today, and they will be taking the top three. So 25 laps, basically, we're already in transfer spot. We just got to stay there. So they're going to give us one early practice this morning, and then we will last chance race. Hopefully last chance or race our way into the feature, which is 100 laps today. Pays $2,500 to win. So a little chilly this morning, but it's supposed to be a beautiful day. We've been fighting weather for, yesterday was horrible. It was a monsoon, if you will. But everything's looking great today. We got a good attitude about it. We're looking to get that top three transfer spot, be smart about it. Get the transfer spot, not be a hero. And go on to the big race. So that's the plan. Let's go ahead and get started and let's stick to it. We heard something dragging, clinging. I think we got a little problem in the rear end. We're looking at it now. See, we thought it was a drive shaft, but taking a peek at it now just to do a little preventive maintenance. Tyler changing the jets out on the carburetor this morning. See if we can find us a little bit more power. Heat this morning after carburetor jet changes. People talking about weepers in the pits this morning. Me and Fred ain't as bad as it was last night for the late model race, but me and Fred come to look at it. Oh, what'd you find there, Fredo? Oh boy, that could be a caution. Get you a look at the Dillon Motor Speedway, 4/10 mile. Now, that man wasn't lying when he said there's a lake right outside the racetrack. We can go fishing.
That's a big ass fish.
Car is ready for practice. Tyler taking him a break right there in front of the heat. Time for the driver's meet, the race day driver's meet. That gives us all the procedures, let us know how last chance race is going to work out.
It's gone. Yesterday was rough, but we stuck it out. Did the best we could, and we had some good races last night. Qualifying went good.
Barfield Sr., and like I said, everybody's met Bill Flynn, but from all of our employees, I think I got Terry Tumbers up here in the a tire that didn't come out of that building now. Okay? Tire numbers have been recorded. Tires in that building have been recorded. Scanned.
All right, driver's meeting's over with. We go down here, get ready to roll out for our first round, our only round of practice. Be starting third in the last chance race. Gonna take the top three. So hopefully we can stay there. 25 laps. Well, it's time to put our Superman suit on, go out first round of practice, just make sure everything's good for the last chance race. So go out, make 3, 4, 5 laps, make sure everything's good. Be ready to start third. Practice went good, turned good, run a 40 last night, would have qualified 14th in qualifying, so we know the speed's there. So just make a few adjustments to free it up off the corner, and we'll be ready for the last chance race. Got about an hour to kill, so gonna do a little politicking for the Star Super Stock Tour. That way our big race in Florence, kick season off coming up soon. So we'll be last chance racing soon. First time of the weekend, everybody's just able to kind of chill and walk around with fun. Finally ain't fixing nothing. Got everything ready to go. Well, hell, Fred's water bottle just blowed off and the hood's about to blow away. But other than that, everybody's just able to chill right now. Watch practice. Legends race first for the last chance race. Tyler eating like me. He got 2 hamburgers.
I need some left side weight. You need to take some off.
Easy.
Oh, you ain't bad as Fred now.
Mean ass.
I've been hanging out with Fred too much.
I know.
Both y'all assholes. Tyler having to make some adjustments to the gas pedal. He the only one of us can get upside down like that, old skinny fella. Well, everybody just kind of hanging out now, waiting on the national anthem to get started. Made all the adjustments we need to make. Legend race goes first. I think they're going for 30 laps, and then we'll be up for 25 laps in the last chance race, starting third. Time to go racing so we can make our way in.
Make his first New Year's Bash start as the field comes out of turn 4. 25 laps make it up. Green is out as the field goes down into turn 1.
Preliminary Saturday lock-in 20. These are your drivers that were outside the top 20 from
trying to hold off the 11 of Corey Fanning and the 0 of Adam Rowe.
Shout out to Lance Funderburk from Hartsville, South Carolina, tuning in. Former go-kart racer, and of course enjoying the coverage on Racing America. Let us know how you're tuned in, as Alan and I mentioned throughout the night. Hashtag New Year's Bash. Cartwright looking at the lead, but Boo Boo's coming, and I don't mean Dalton. There's another Boo Boo in town. It's Carlisle, Alan.
But now, if I'm not mistaken, there'll still be a halfway break in the bash, and they can get how many tires?
I think it's 2 tires.
Yeah, 2 tires.
Carlisle. Down the front stretch
Wow.
coming after. Wow, Cartwright. Cartwright's going so fast at speed, the decals are flying off the 42.
Yeah, that's a good problem to have.
Representing the 42 machine, the driver out of Illinois, and he's coming to the penultimate lap in B-Main 1, but Carlisle's not done. He's going to make a run to the inside.
Yeah, Boo would like that extra $250, but so would Adam Cartwright as they go down the back straightaway. Into turn number 3, about a car length and a half advantage now for Cartwright over Carlisle. Coming back this time to take the white flag. Well out in front of third place. Boo's going to look up to the outside. Thought about diving in the corner, I think, and you saw the rear end kick out whenever he got back into the gas. That cost him a little bit of ground as Adam Cartwright comes out of turn number 4. Illinois and Georgia going at it, and the Illinois driver, Adam Cartwright.
We made it. We finally made it after all them years of trying. We made it the right way. Top 3, finished second. Yeah, I could have moved it. We look like fools because we both in transfer spots. Could I push the issue a lot more? Absolutely, I could have. But man, there was a 25 lap practice session. Found the top line, so real excited about that. I can finally say I'm in the New Year's bash. Well, check mark. Woo. For myself. So something I always want to do, finally done it. Don't know that I'll ever come back and race here again for the New Year's bash. Bring Tyler next year, but we in the bash. Well, it is time to go 100 lap street stock racing in the New Year's bash, but we're gonna split this up. So we made it, but you're gonna have to wait and see that on the next episode, Kicking Asphalt, later in the week. So thank y'all very much. Very proud of Tyler, Bailey, David, Fred, my mama, everybody. 4 or 5 day effort, and we made it. So thank y'all very much for watching. You don't know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will catch you next time. Take care.